A quick update on the big political story, and that's of course tension between the BJP and the Janata Dal United over a crucial meeting this weekend in New Delhi. Crucial because Nitish Kumar himself has said the party will decide on asking whether the NDA should announce its prime ministerial candidate sooner rather than later. Some reports say that the JDU may look at portraying Nitish Kumar as an alternative name as well. Who knows? Let's just look at that crucial meet this weekend.
Will Narendra Modi drive away Nitish Kumar from the NDA? Are you planning to contest alone in Bihar this time?
नहीं जेडीयू के साथ मिलजुल कर चुनाव लड़ेंगे.
चुनाव रहेगा, अलायंस रहेगा.
बिहार के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जिंदाबाद.
The JDU doesn't share Rajnath Singh's confidence. This weekend, the JDU may finalize the terms of separation with its 17-year-old ally. NDA's unity faces the Modi test. At its meet in Delhi, JDU likely to ask BJP to end the suspense. The JDU will decide on asking the BJP to declare its candidate for Prime Minister. JDU doesn't want to wait indefinitely. The party is worried that the BJP may spring the Modi surprise just before the polls. The meet may also project Nitish Kumar as a prime ministerial alternative. The JDU president, who is also the NDA convener, doesn't rule out the issue during the meet.
नहीं, सभी तरह की बहस नेशनल काउंसिल में ही होती है और वहाँ अध्यक्ष की अनुमति से कोई चीज़ कोई उठा सकता है और जब एक कॉन्सेंसस बन जाता है तब उस पर प्रस्ताव होता है. नहीं, सेकुलरिज्म के मामले में पहले भी नहीं किया, अब भी नहीं करेंगे और वो नेशनल एजेंडा इसी नाते बना है.
The JDU has done its maths to split from the BJP. It's not worried about numbers in Bihar, where it's in power. The JDU is sure of a majority with independents, but it will be a slim one. And it gets to retain Muslim vote if the BJP does not project Modi. Sensing trouble in the rival alliance, the Congress has begun wooing Nitish. The national ruling party has said yes to his demand for a special financial package for Bihar. While an alliance for the Congress is a no-no for now, it's not being ruled out in future. If Nitish's alliance with the BJP ends, he will hope that the Congress may bail him out.
या तो अभी दो, नहीं तो 14 के बाद तो जरूर देना पड़ेगा. दिल्ली में वही बैठेगा जो पिछड़े इलाकों के प्रति, पिछड़े लोगों के प्रति जिसके मन में दर्द होगा.
Party President Rajnath Singh showcased Modi, and then Modi's outings for 2 days. For JDU, its worst fears are coming true, that BJP is preparing Modi for the top job.
नरेंद्र भाई इस समय इस कंट्री के मोस्ट पॉपुलर लीडर हैं.
The BJP's dilemma is putting off a formal announcement on its prime ministerial candidate. They may not project Modi to save NDA. The BJP is nervous of going to polls without JDU and its post-poll numbers. A Sangh section is pressing for projecting Modi, even if it means dumping JDU. The NDA, the BJP, the JDU all face a political test. But the toughest test lies ahead of Narendra Modi, the fault line between the two 17-year-old allies. As the elections close, Narendra Modi will realize that popularity is easier, acceptability tougher. It's easier to step into the pantheon of party greats, but to do a Bajpayee, it's tougher. Modi's acceptability crisis is music for the long list of prime ministerial aspirants in the BJP, including far-sighted L.K. Advani, who in October 2011 chose Nitish Kumar to flag his last nationwide yatra. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.